Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm going to explain you about Starscope Monocular UK reviews. Friends, in this video, I'll help you know whether Starscope Monocular is a legit product or a scam one. And I would like to inform you that this is not a product, guys. If you have never ordered this product before, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy this product or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the picture of this Starscope Monocular. You can take a look here. This is made with high quality components and it is lightweight. You can also get some awesome photos with the help of this Starscope Monocular device. So guys, Starscope Monocular is a scratch resistant waterproof device through which you can see things even if it is far away. And apart from that, if you are going for hunting and camping, then it is an ideal device for you for having great adventurous experience. And guys, let's talk about the specifications of this product. But before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. And of course, this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now guys, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or a legit product. So talking about the specifications, so you can see the objective diameter of this Starscope monocular device is 50 mm and its exit pupil diameter is 3 mm. Apart from that, it can give eye relief within 20 mm distance and its magnification is 10 times fully multi-coated lenses and HD glasses, which is an amazing thing. Apart from that, it comes with streamlined design, guys, and anti-skid frosted sure grip design. And it is the type of prism type with BAK4. It is same as $1,000 binoculars. The color is black. The weight is 320 gram, and it is made with the material of advanced polymers. So these are the specifications about this device, guys. Now let's take a look at the pros of this amazing device. So talking about the pros, guys, this is fog proof camera and this product is totally waterproof and scratch resistant, and you can carry it in your pocket as this is lightweight. You can also use this device while hiking and adventuring, guys, and it is a perfect travel gear. This is also known as a perfect travel gear, as you can see the things from a far distance. Apart from that, it works with iPhone and Android, guys, which is an amazing benefit of this device. And the lens of this device is made up of high quality optical glasses, which is an amazing thing, or which is one of the biggest benefits or pros of this device, guys. Now talking about the legitimacy, guys, it's really very important to check out a particular product's legitimacy before making any online purchase. So let's talk about the legitimacy factors and define its legitimacy. But of course, this is not enough to judge its legitimacy. To talk about the Starscope Monocular UK reviews, guys, we have found positive testimonials or reviews on the official website. You can take a look here. So these are the positive testimonials, and one of the customers said, my photography professor clued me on this lens. It's small but the quality is so high it takes better photos than my Nikon. I just put this in my bag wherever I go and I can use my iPhone for amazing pictures. This is an amazing device. So this was the positive comment by a verified user, so which define its legitimacy. But apart from that, guys, we're not able to find the social media existence of the particular product, which is a negative sign, and we're not able to find another customer reviews on other platforms. So in the final conclusion, this product is a legit product, guys. You can give it a try. If you want to purchase it, then explore the entire information before making any online purchase. We highly recommend you to check everything from your side before placing your order, guys. And I request you all to share your experience with this product. so that other customers can avail the benefit of while reviewing a product or making any online purchase. And if you have any problem with your money, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. So guys, do comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting. Please guys, like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. I'll get back to you with another product review. And thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.